Hi guys, so I thought since we are all busy on our feet most times, especially me, I'm spending at least 2-3 hours on my yoga mat every day and then in the kitchen or chasing after my kids. So my feet are very precious to me. So for this recipe, you will need to prepare a foot bath with hot water. You need the leftover of lime, lemon or yuzu. You need some Epsom salt and you need some coconut oil. So this is very simple coconut oil. There is nothing fancy to it. And I always have this little tiny thing in my bathroom, not only to soften my feet, but also to do oil pulling or to apply it onto scars or rehydrate my face. Now let's start. So what you want to do, you want to put super hot water and then take off your socks and have your feet in the foot bath for about 20 minutes. So it should be nice and warm. Yeah. So you leave it in here, and then while you're doing so, you're gonna take your lime, lemon, yuzu leftover, whatever you decided to choose, and you take a little bit of Epsom salt into it, and then you spread out the corners, or there are no corners, you just simply spread out your citrus fruit, and then you can use your citrus fruit and really work the Epsom salt into your feet. Yeah, again, beautiful recycling here. And just let the yuzu or the lemon fall into your water. And we do the same on the other side. So the feet, like the detoxification of the feet is very important because eventually everything is landing down there. So in my next video I'm going to show you a few other tricks, but for me feet are very, very important. I also stopped using nail polish a couple of years ago, even though now my toes don't look so nice because I had something falling onto my toes, so they actually blew and they are peeling off, but I like to be my feet very, very natural. So you will sit here for about 20 minutes. Yeah, make sure it's nice and hot, and then once these 20 minutes are over, you take a towel and you make sure that your feet are super, super, super dry. Yeah, you don't want to have wet feet and going into your socks. That's not healthy. So you make them nice and dry. So in my case, my feet are beautiful because I'm frequently taking care of them. But if you notice that your feet are all cracky and not so nice looking, you might consider giving it a scrub. And most times it is probably advised, if you never really take care of your feet, to go to a professional because it might take some time. So, but if you're generally a person that takes care of the feet, you just might find yourself with a few scrubs and your feet are back to normal. So then the next item will be our coconut oil. So, and this is working magic. So what you're going to do, you're taking, probably this is about a teaspoon, and you're gonna massage that coconut oil really nicely into your heels and in between the toes. And you can even, you know, take some time to massage deep into your feet, and you might even find some trigger points, some subus that you feel unwell. So I'm actually fine. So Now, and this is the key. You find some beautiful thick socks, and these socks are gonna stay on all night long. So I remember when I didn't have cash to pay the expensive coconut oil, I used to do Vaseline. So please, for everyone that is trying to bail out, because I know coconut oil, especially in Japan, is really expensive, just go ahead and use Vaseline. It is totally worth it. So we have to always think of the cheaper version. So Vaseline would be a little bit a cheaper version to do it. And I promise you, when you wake up tomorrow morning, you're going to be stunned by how soft your feet are going to be. So I hope you enjoyed that little video, and I will see you back very soon. Okay, thank you for watching.